Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect two devices to your speaker JBL Grip simultaneously. So right here I have the first device, what connected with the speaker, and the second one what do not connected with the speaker. So this time we don't need to use the app to enable dual connection, it's already enabled. And you need to open settings at your second device, then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth like on iOS, but I need to click at this button. Then we should enter to pairing mode. So at the top of the speaker we have Bluetooth button. You need to press one time at this button, then you will hear the prompt and this LED light start flashing white, meaning that your speaker entered to pairing mode. So let's do this. And now we should see the speaker at the device list. Tap at your speaker and then click pair. And right now, as you can see, we have two devices connected to the speaker simultaneously. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!